Hello everyone! Today I'll show you how to get FAQs analytics data using the Easy Accordion plugin. Let's get started. First, install and activate the Easy Accordion plugin. After activation, you'll see the Getting Started page. Next, go to Modules. Here, you'll see an option called FAQ Analytics. Make sure this option is turned on. Now, go to Manage FAQ Groups. This is where you can create FAQ groups. You can create as many groups as you want. For this example, I already have some groups created. After that, copy the shortcode of the FAQ group you want to display. Then go to Pages and click Add New. Paste the shortcode into the page and publish it. Once the page is published, open it on the front end. When visitors hover over and click on the FAQ items, their activity will be recorded automatically. To see the results, go back to your WordPress dashboard. Under Easy Accordion, click on Analytics. Here, you'll see detailed data for your FAQ groups, including impressions and the number of clicks each FAQ item has received. And that's it! This is how you can easily get your FAQs analytics data using the Easy Accordion plugin. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other tutorials for more helpful tips.